Want to change your Roblox profile picture on Android? Follow along and I'll show you how in just a few steps. Let's jump right in. Open the Roblox app on your Android phone and tap the three-line bar at the top left corner. Now tap Profile. This opens your Roblox profile page. Your Roblox profile picture is based on your avatar. To change it, tap Edit Avatar. Change your clothes, face, hair, or accessories. Save your avatar. Your profile picture updates automatically. You cannot upload custom images as profile pictures on Roblox. Only your avatar can be used. That's how you change your Roblox profile. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and comment if you want cool avatar ideas. Thanks for watching.